California medical marijuana patient's license. A California medical marijuana patient's license used to be tough to get, but laws such as the Compassionate Use Act of 1996 makes getting a California medical marijuana patient's license very simple. Passed in 1996, the Compassionate Use Act removed the state's criminal penalties for the possession, use, and growing of marijuana by patients who have written authorization from their doctor documenting the necessity of medical marijuana treatment. On November 6, 1996, the people of the state of California enacted the Compassionate Use Act of 1996, placed within Section 11362.5 of the Health and Safety Code. This was in order to allow seriously ill residents of California who have the oral or written approval of recommendation of a physician to use marijuana for medical purposes without fear of criminal liability. You must keep in mind, just because you have a California medical marijuana patient's license, it does not allow you to possess more than 8 ounces of dried or raw marijuana or smoke weed in view of public. You also can't and shouldn't operate heavy machinery, drive a car, or a boat. You must also keep in mind that most identification cards are only good for 1 year, and you will have to get it renewed or face the consequences of being lazy, namely jail if you're caught. What do you need from a California physician? Firstly, your doctor must have conducted a medical examination of you and deemed you to have a serious medical condition, see below, and that medical marijuana is appropriate for your treatment and care. Your doctor must also be in good standing to practice medicine or osteopathy issued by the Medical Board of California or the Osteopathic Medical Board of California. To get your California medical marijuana ID card, licensed to smoke, you will need a written oral recommendation from the licensed physician that you will benefit from the use of medical marijuana. Your doctor will need to give you a sworn application on a form provided by the department containing the following information: your name, address, date of birth, and Alaska driver's license, passport or ID card. Your name, address, date of birth, and California license, passport or ID card number. The doctor's name, address, telephone number, and California medical license number. The name, address, date of birth, and California ID card of your primary or alternate caregiver. The primary or alternate caregiver must be at least 18 years of age, has not been convicted of a felony offense or a law ordinance of another jurisdiction, is not currently on probation or parole, has never been refused a license, and has never had their license revoked. California medical marijuana laws SB 420 and the Compassionate Use Act of 1996 limits the restrictions on the use of medical marijuana. Experts have been included below, but if you want more information about these enacted laws, you may download the California state statutes freely by simply clicking the link California Medical Marijuana Law SB 420. Adobe PDF Reader will be needed. California Compassionate Use Act 1996. You may also read about these rules on the following pages: California Compassionate Use Act. As a patient or a primary alternate caregiver, you may legally possess no more than 8 dried ounces of usable marijuana, medical marijuana, grow no more than 6 mature marijuana plants and 6 immature plants at any time. Although you may grow 12 total immature marijuana plants at one time. More rules are going to follow below. You may not do the following with your California medical license or product. 1, you may not possess more than 1 8-ounce of dried medical marijuana at any given time. 2, you may only be allowed to grow, cultivate 6 mature plants and 6 immature plants, or 12 immature plants total at any given time. 3, you may not openly display your medical marijuana outside the place where you can lawfully possess or use it. 4, you may not smoke in any place where smoking is prohibited by law. 5, you may not use medical marijuana in plain view of general public. 6, you may not use in or within 1,000 feet of grounds of a school, recreation center, or youth center unless the medical use occurs within a residence. 7, you may not use on a school bus. 8, you may not use while operating a motor vehicle or a boat. Approved California conditions to use medical marijuana patient's license is chronic pain, migraines, cachexia, arthritis, anorexia, cancer, chronic pain, epilepsy, seizures, glaucoma, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, AIDS, multiple sclerosis, severe nausea, and if you would like to, please visit weedpad.com for more information. And please take note, we're not attorneys or legal professionals. This information above is gathered from public sources and is our best interpretation. For this and other legal matters, please consult a qualified, reputable attorney. And go check out weedpad.com.